Order, order! What the heck is the Order of Precedence Clause? Hey everybody, it's Sharon from Let's Get Down to Business Bootcamp with your weekly edition of What the heck does that contract clause mean? So today we're going to talk about, no surprise from the intro there, the Order of Precedence Clause. This is in contracts because very often contracts have many parts. There's the main body of the contract. There can be many schedules, exhibits, statements of work, services agreements, software agreements, maintenance agreements, support attachments, and all of it together is one document, but sometimes it can be confusing which is the main document or which is the most important or which one wins in the event of any confusion between the documents. Now granted, if they've all been drafted really right, there shouldn't be confusion between the documents. But we're all human, and sometimes when you have different people looking at a contract 6 months or a year or 2 years later, because sometimes contracts go for a long time, they may not interpret things in the same way. So we have an Order of Precedence Clause, which says, in the event of a conflict between, and it lists all the different pieces, the following is the order of precedence, or order of control, of the documents. And then you literally list out all of the documents that are covered in this one order of precedence, and you put them in the highest priority to the lowest priority, or the one that controls, and then all the way down. And that way, if there are any conflicts, so let's say there are 6 parts. 5 is more important than 6, 3 is more important than 4, 1 is more important than all of them. So that way, everybody knows which document controls, because the goal is always to have clarity, right? That's why we talk about these contract clauses. That's why contracts are in writing, so everybody knows what the rights of the parties are, the obligations of the parties are, and hopefully everybody has the same understanding. So what the heck time is it? It's time for you guys to go and get ready for Friday and then have a great weekend because you can't work all the time. All right, see you next week.